Hi guys, I have not done a video like this in forever. This is a random video, just totally random video that I have come up with. It is a what's in my refrigerator. That's weird, I know. So let's do it. I know I'm using top and shorts, but it's really hot here in Texas. Okay, so we have a candle. Our kitchen is dirty and very old. I'm gonna try to change the wallpaper and whatnot. You know, up there we have breads, and here on the thing we have my uncle. That's me when I was like really younger. Then this is my mom and my uncle, and then this is me. This is something about attitude. Pause it if you want to read it. Could try to read it if you want to. This says, "Have you had your bear hug today?" It's cute. And then I have this. This is from Locker Looks. You can't really see it, but it says Locker Looks. I don't know who that is. I have no idea who that is. And then this is me and my grandma hanging out. And then this is St. Jude Gives Hope. Ah! And then there's a little calendar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tomorrow is my birthday. Okay, tomorrow is my birthday, and I am going to do lots more videos because I found out how to make videos. It's with this iPhone. See it? See it? Yeah. So excited. Okay. So, then it's March right now, and it goes on. It has a mirror. Then we have this. This is stuff for cheer. And this says half my heart is in rack. That's a smiley face. You can't see it very well, but it's a smiley face. This says half my heart is in Iraq. It's a little magnet. And then this is my science test. I got a 96 on it. Okay, let's go open the freezer first. Okay, this is the freezer. Pretty simple. We have ice packs in here. I don't know what that is, frozen carrots. So we have ice packs over here. This one's for my leg because I broke my leg, and it's like a gel one from a chiropractor. And then I have this one. It's we have this blueberry waffles, and then we have some hot dogs. We have this in here. I don't know what it is. It's pork sausage, and we don't have much stuff in here. We have to have ice in little ice trays because we don't have an ice maker. That is not mold. That is a shadow, I promise. I thought it was mold the first time I saw it, and I was like, ooh. But it's actually the shadow. And I'm like, ooh. So it's not mold. And then we have these little icing. We have these little icing packs, and then we have these and that, and corn dogs, and lots of different things. I don't know what's in there. So lots of different things. And then right here, inside here, is it messy? Nope. We just like barely have anything in here, but I'm gonna go through the door first. Okay. We have sweet cream butter, salted, sour cream. We have dill relish, ranch, different ranches, chunky blue cheese, light, and then classic, and then we have this stuff, just sauces, ketchup, Taco Bell sauce, I don't know. We have one Sprite. We used to have a lot more. Then we have this. We have that, and mayonnaise, and then that stuff down there, not for me, for my hands. And then we have in here, well, these are eggs, as you can tell. And then in here, we have these little things. And in here we have this, bacon, bologna, and then baby carrots. And in here we have some more bacon and cream cheese, regular cheese. Right here, just some leftovers. It says brats. We have yogurt back there. Leftovers. Water bottles. Fat reduced milk, and then Coca-Cola. And that was my refrigerator. I do not know why I did that video, but I did. Bye.